Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. We at One Islam Productions are working very hard to educate the Muslims and spread the true knowledge of Islam to the world. Our main aim is to unite the Muslims so they can be on the right path, as taught by our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him. With so much content on YouTube misguiding our youth, we need to produce a lot more content to educate and inspire them, inshallah. As Muslims, we are responsible for sharing the correct knowledge of Islam and inviting non-Muslims to our beautiful religion. If you share just one hadith, verse from the Quran, or any Islamic advice to another human being, and that human being follows your advice and reshares your knowledge to someone else, you are gaining ongoing rewards every step of the way, inshallah. This will become a sadaqah jariyah, continuous charity for you. In these terrible times, we only have Allah to rely on and must try hard to remain steadfast in our faith. More and more people are forgetting the purpose of their life and are putting this dunya over their deen. You can become part of our mission by contributing a small amount to our efforts. Please click on the link below to become a Patreon member. The One Islam Productions team needs your support to continue spreading the true message of Islam. So join with us now and get enormous rewards. May Allah reward you all. Ameen.